Hi, magandang araw sa inyo. Sa video na ito, ikukwento ko sa inyo ang BGMP recruitment process mula umpisa hanggang dulo base sa mga impormasyon na nakuha ko mula sa iba't ibang media platforms at syempre sa sarili kong experience bilang aplikante. Kung gusto mong malaman kung ano ang mga dapat pagdaanan para makapasok sa BGMP mula sa pag-aayos ng requirements, ng exams, interview, physical test at hanggang sa oath-taking, perfect itong video na to para sa iyo. Tara, simulan na natin sa step 1. Preliminary interview and assessment. Submit proper tab folders, PDS, birth certificate, diploma, TOR, eligibility, clearances, other documents. Step 2. Initial medical evaluation, hepatitis B screening, physical exam, vision, hearing, status, etc. Step 3. Entry-level exam, NLEX. Coverage, general info, math, English, grammar, sentence and paragraph, and essay. Step 4. Neuropsychiatric evaluation. Bring photo, ID, pencil, eraser, pen. Neuro is valid for 6 months. Step 5. Panel interview. Rated on grooming, communication, reasoning, critical thinking, leadership. Step 6. Initial deliberation. Ranking based on exam, interview, and premium points. Step 7. Medical and dental evaluation. Physical fitness check and medical certification is the need. Step 8. Strength and agility test or SAT. The event is push up, jumping jack, pull ups, sprint, and 1 kilometer run. You must meet the standards. Step 9. Final deliberation scoring. Exam, interview, premium. This is the period where the committee for recruitment decides final list for the appointment. Step 10. Submission of required documents. 3. Proper tab folder. For BGMP, PDS, TOR, diploma, eligibility, clearances, medical, SALN, etc. For CSC, PDS, eligibility, receipts. JNTI, PDS, TOR, diploma, medical, etc. For the last part, step 11, the oath taking. What to bring is documentary stamp, valid ID, dress code, blue maong pants, white shirt, garrison belt, and shoes. Ito yung part na gustong-gusto mong umiyak sa tuwa, sa saya, sa lahat ng pagod at paghihirap mo sa pag-a-apply. At least na-achieve mo na siya, nag-take out ka na, ito na yung moment mo. Good luck po sa mga aplikante. Serve with honor, join BGMP, secure lives, transform future. Disclaimer lang po, ito po ay base sa experience ko. Recruitment process, varies pa rin po sa committee ng BGMP recruitment policy. Thank you. God bless.